How to create the most trending cartoon character right now across all social media platforms. This type of video you are seeing right now is trending across all social media platforms. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create something like this.
If you no believe in yourself, who go believe you?
As you can see,
Consistency past motivation every single time.
you see this one,
I know they chase dreams, I they build them.
you see this.
Success no be luck.
So without wasting much of your time, let's go drive into it. Let me show you how you can create something like this. So to get started, the first thing we are going to do is to head over to Google Gemini. If you don't have Gemini on your phone, you go and download Google Gemini app on your phone, you register. After you register, you log in and you click on create image. When you click on create image, make sure you paste this prompt right here. I'll be leaving down this prompt on my Telegram channel. So make sure you go and check my Telegram channel and you are going to see this prompt. As you can see, this is the prompt. So the prompt is going to be on my Telegram channel. Now, after you get the prompt, you click on continue and Google Gemini is going to help you generate the image which you are going to use to generate that type of video using Grok AI. Don't worry, I'm going to show you the process. So if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next we drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. Now, this is our image. As you can see, this is the image Google Gemini just generated for us right now. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to click on save. Now, after we save our image, the next thing we are going to do is to head over to Grok AI where we are going to be generating our videos. Now, this is Grok AI. As you can see, this is Grok AI. I just log in into my Grok AI. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on Imagine here. Now, when you click on Imagine, you upload that image you want to use. Now, you click on Animate. So, you upload that image. Now, I will be uploading the image. This is the image I want to use. Now, this is the image. Now, after you upload the image, the next thing you are going to do is to click on video here. You click on customize. Now, this is where you are going to put your prompt. What do you want your video to do and what do you want your video to say? Now, you can go to ChatGPT and paste your prompt. As you can see, you can go to ChatGPT and paste that same prompt and ask ChatGPT to analyze it. As you can see, I paste that prompt and I tell ChatGPT, I say, okay, I want you to write me different type of image to video prompt where the image walking on the street and talking make it well engaging and it should be 6 seconds each. And ChatGPT gave me what the video we said. As you can see, this is the first prompt ChatGPT gave to me. Now I have to copy this prompt here. I have to copy this prompt. Then go back to ChatGPT Grok AI. This is Grok AI and I'll be pasting the prompt here. This is the prompt and I'll click on here again, put it on customize and I'll click on generate. Now we'll give it in less than some minutes. Grok AI is going to generate this image to video for us, turning this into image to video and you are going to see the result. Let's just give it some minutes. It will not be up to 1 minute. If the network is good, Grok AI generates video in less than 1 minute. So let's give it some minutes. Now this is our result.
Success no be luck, na mindset. Success no be luck, na mindset.
Now, as you guys can see, this is our result. Now, we can just click on download and we are going to download this to our phone. Now, let's go back to ChatGPT again and we are going to copy our second prompt here because we asked him to give us different type. So, it gives us up to 4 prompts. Now, we copy this like this again. After copying, we go back to Grok AI and the next thing we are going to do is just to replace this like this. You just click on replace, we click on paste and we click on generate and it's going to generate our second video for us. So this is how you are going to do and you can generate a lot of videos. Yes, you can generate a lot of videos and you can also do it and create consistency character with it, consistency videos, long videos. You can do it. If you watch my previous videos, I show you guys how you can create long videos using Grok AI. You can use the same method and use one image to turn it to long videos. So this is how you are going to do it. Now let's wait for our result to complete so that we are going to see what we get this time. This is it.
If you don't believe in yourself, who go believe you?
Shall now they see we see hope you guys like this result we just have right now. So this is how you are going to do it. Now you click on download and you also save this to your phone. Now let's copy our next prompt again. Let's copy our next prompt. This is our third prompt and after this we copy, we go back again and we replace this just like we did before. We paste and we click on generate and it's going to generate another video for us in less than 1 minute. So this is how you guys are going to do it. So let's wait for it to complete this video generation in less than 1 minute, and it's going to generate the video generation. So if you need the prompt I use, every prompt I use to generate the image, make sure you join my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video, and you are going to join my Telegram channel. You are going to see the prompt. This is the result we have this time.
I know they chase dreams, I they build them. I know they chase.
So this is our result also. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across to this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when I start drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.